Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today I have an app. This app is mainly for the people who are into gaming section. This app is for live streaming. So it streams live games. You can stream out your live performance or live your life, like whatever incident is happening. So you can stream on this app. So before we start, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and like the video as well. Let's begin. The name of this app is Twitch live streaming app. So I believe many of you like who belong to gaming community must be aware of this app. So this app helps you to live stream your games, like you can live stream your PUBG Mobile, you can live stream your Call of Duty or whichever game you want to play, like whichever game you're playing on mobile you can live stream. But this has its own platform, it has its own community. It's like YouTube, so you can't live stream from this app to some another app or another domain. So you have to live stream to that specific app and you can build your community in this app. So it's kind of a YouTube for live game streamers or people who want to do many of the activities live. So let's just read the description of this app. So the description goes like, experience the games you love like never before. Watch live streamers and catch with devoted gamers around the world. Catch the action as it happens. Access all the content you care about, from frenetic Overwatch multiplayer matches to soothing Boss Ross art demos. So it's just elaborating the different types of gaming community and what all games you have. So it has a long description. It has given its top 3 features and many more features. So you can check from the link in the description below. You can just visit the app page and you can read the description. So developer of this app is Twitch Interactive Inc. So this app is available on both the platform, iOS and Android. So you can download it and you can, once like start recording, you have to give the name to the stream and then you can start recording and you can start playing the game. So it's completely live and you can use this on PC as well. It has a different interface on PC as well. So I'll be just showing the interface on the mobile, and for the PC interface I'll be showing it in next videos, some coming videos. So let's get to the mobile screen and see how the app is, how its interface is. So here's the app guys, Twitch live game streaming. So as you can see, this is the interface of this app, and I don't know, like I am loving this purple color interface. It's very soothing to eyes, and the animation is also like, the interface is also very good. So it's available for multiple devices. So it's available for iPhone, it's available for iPad, it's available for Apple TV as well. Okay, so you can share the details on iMessages, it's showing. So these all features are available. This is the long description of this app. So you can just go on the link below and check out the description. So here are some of the privacy features. So data used to track you. So the data used for tracking the user is the identifier like the email ID or the contact number. And the data linked to you is like your search history, your usage data, your diagnostic, your purchases, and all this stuff is related in this app. So you can learn, like you can understand these details by the link given below, and it will give you a complete idea about what all data it covers. So here is the developer website link. So I'll be providing the link below as well. So let's just open the app. So it's being a good app used by many people. It has 4.7 ratings given by 8k users, so 8,000 users. So let's just open the app. So this is the interface of this app. So you can say these are the recommendations. So as I have created a new account for this, so it's giving me a recommendation. So you can visit to any person account, you can follow him or her, and this is the interface. So you can see he is streaming his live game. It has live chat as well. You can follow him. Okay, there are various features like YouTube. You can follow, you can visit that person's Instagram feed as well. It has audio interface as well. So let's just close this. So like this, you have various videos in the recommendation. When you go to discover tab, you have various discovers live people. So these are the top performers, I believe, top people who are doing their lives. So these are all the details, so you can check it out. And then you have browse feature. So if you know some people whom you are following, so for games or some live channels, you can go and you can follow them. So you can go for Call of Duty Warzone and you can see how many people are doing the live videos. So like this, it has a good interface, similar to YouTube, not similar to YouTube, but kind of YouTube. And then you can start your own streaming as well. So as you can see the icons on the top, so the first icon of the camera shows like you can start recording. So here are the two options you have. You can stream the game. So as soon as you click on stream the game, you have to select the game, which game you want to stream. You can search your game over here. So let's just select Call of Duty, go next. So you have to check your voice. You have to edit the stream info. So you can edit the stream info from here. Give the stream name and all the details. So once you download, you can check this out, and you just have to click on this button. As you click on this button, your screen recording starts and it's directly broadcasted to your Twitch account. So I have already done some live broadcast just for demo purpose. So let me just show you. So this is our account. It has all the details about us. You can do all the settings, subscription and everything. You have the option to go live over here as well. And you have this option of my channel. So here you can find your live stream. So this is what the live stream I have done. So you can just play. This was just for test purpose. So this is how it records your screen. So this was my Call of Duty. I believe you are able to see. Let me just increase its brightness a bit. I believe you can see it, and you can share the video from here as well. So you can share from current time, or you can share via Whisper. So Whisper is also a feature of this app. Whisper means messaging to your friends or whoever you're following. So here's the option for Whisper. No, this is notification, sorry. And here's the option for Whisper. So you can start the conversation with any people. It's kind of DM, you can say. And you can search over here if you want to search for some people or some game. So if you search Call of Duty, here you get the games. And there's one more feature in the live. So you have stream IRL. So broadcast your live wherever you want. Broadcast your life wherever you want. So as I told you, you can do a live event, like if you are doing something special in your life and you want to showcase it on this channel, on this platform. So you can do a live event from here as well. So it will get the access of your camera and it will start recording whatever is happening. And then you have option of esports. So I was not clear about like what feature is this about mainly. So it has all the apps, like all the live stream and this. I believe they are having some competition. So you can join any competition if you are willing to. I believe yes, this is about the competition. So you can join this competition by this app, by this tab of esports. If you are a pro player, surely you can go and join. So yes guys, this was about this app. So you can download the app from the notification, from the description, from the link given in the description below, and let me know how you feel the app is, how its interface is. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow me on Instagram for more such apps and more such live updates. See you in the next video. Bye bye.